shooting range.
Yeah, I'm real excited. I actually haven't been to the shooting range in a while, but it's my wife's first time ever handling a gun.
Yeah, and also last night we cleaned the gun. It was scary for me.
We basically took down a shotgun and a 40 cal Springfield Armory. I showed her how to clean it, how to handle it safely, properly, and you know, basic safety procedures. Because the way I was taught was, if you're gonna shoot a gun, you better learn how to disassemble it and clean it first. So I did the same with my wife.
He taught me how to clean the gun. But the sounds when you cock the gun, it's scary for me. Yeah, I'm excited but nervous too, because it's my first time, you know.
Yeah, so I mean, it's gonna be exciting for me. I haven't been to the range in a while, especially since my accident. Talk about that another day.
Yep.
But yeah, so we're probably gonna have like 4 or 5 different things to shoot today.
Yeah.
I didn't tell her what yet, but you guys will see. It'll be a surprise. I'll probably bring out like 5, 6 of them, and we'll just have some fun. Different
like
caliber.
Different kind of weapons.
Yeah, different kinds. Different caliber. You know what I mean? And some rifles, some handguns, and a very special semi-auto shotgun that a lot of people don't know about.
Yeah. Last night we only cleaned the shotgun.
Yeah.
And hi guys, I fucked up. I'm sorry, Papa. Okay, now he's smiling now. So actually, we go to the other place first to get the stuff, like maybe 4 more something.
We're gonna go get some ammunition. Just a disclaimer, all these guns are purchased legally. I'm a legal gun owner, you know, I'm not a felon.
Yes.
I brought my wife here legally, you know, we went through the whole process, we're all vetted. And yeah. So we're going to a public shooting range, which is run by the I believe it's California State Parks. So I'm sure a lot of you guys didn't know this. You guys are used to like indoor shooting ranges, especially in the cities. Like, you know,
Exactly.
Where I grew up, it's just indoor ranges, but this is an actual outdoor range that's public. There's no range master, so everybody pretty much
by themselves.
does it by themselves. You know what I mean? We basically all take care of each other out there. There's rules and stuff that we follow, and courtesy, and haven't been there in a while, so it'll be pretty interesting. And it's right by the airport here. The private airport where we're at, so it's pretty cool. She's never been there, and I haven't been there in a while. And it'll be Rowena's first time shooting ever.
I know. So he needs to teach me how to hold the gun, right?
Yeah, and there's nothing more attractive than a beautiful girl shooting a gun. To me, at least, I love that. I think that's sexy.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm serious. I mean, I don't know any guy that doesn't like to see a beautiful girl with a gun, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's cool. It's cool if the woman hold a gun, you know, kind of.
I told my wife about my fantasy about having a police woman. It's just something about a woman with a gun, like, get over here.
Yeah. Like in the Philippines, we call that asti.
What?
Asti.
What's asti?
Like cool, something.
It is cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So go.
Yeah, so heading to the shooting range, but I'm excited about the trip we're gonna take this week. Should we tell them about the road trip we're taking? Where are we going?
Now?
Not today, this week.
Oh. Tijuana.
We're going to Tijuana, Mexico, guys.
Yeah.
And for various reasons, but basically healthcare in the U.S. is a big. We'll go into that another day. We'll talk in depth about healthcare out here.
It's a big difference.
But basically, it'll be way more cost effective. It'll be a nice trip. I know a lot of people are scared of Tijuana. I know you guys have been watching the news, shit going on over there.
Tijuana right now.
You know, Tijuana is dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. But tell them, sweetheart, tell them how you were supposed to be in Tijuana together a year ago.
Yeah, actually, a year ago, I planned to go to Tijuana, but
Tell them why. Tell them the reason.
the reason I gonna end up with there because I got denied on my visa, and my husband has been there too many times, and he knows the area. It's not dangerous if you don't do bad stuff.
So the reason is we were still waiting for
my visa.
her immigrant visa, so she couldn't come to the U.S. I needed to get an operation on my elbow.
Yeah.
I needed to take out all this metal work and plates and all kinds of screws and shit. So she was supposed to help me with recovery. So she was gonna fly to Tijuana and help me recover with my surgery, but
That doesn't happen. So he's
So-
there alone,
so
taking care of herself.
it was a confusion with the pesos. There's a difference, obviously, Philippine pesos and there's Mexican pesos, and they're worth different amounts of money.
Yeah.
So what we thought the amount was quoted in Philippine pesos that needed to be in her bank account for 3 months,
That's kind of the requirement.
which was a requirement to have a certain amount. It ended up being Mexican pesos, which are worth a lot more. So that being the case, they basically denied her visa due to insufficient funds in her
On
account,
my bank account.
which was, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. And again, it just goes with LDR, long distance relationship, like communication sometimes, you know what I mean? It's just not the best over the phone. And you know, it's just sometimes things get lost in translation.
Yeah. Misunderstanding, you know.
Pretty
One
much.
of the reason he'll be our misunderstanding. It's kind of hard. But
Yeah.
that's life. Right now we're here together, so we'll go to Tijuana together.
And on the way to Tijuana, we'll stop by a few places like, you know, Sacramento. We'll stop by like Hollywood, LA, San Diego, places like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, why not?
Probably do a couple lives with everyone. And yeah, just document the trip with you guys. You guys can take a ride with us out to Tijuana. I do know Tijuana and just Baja California in general, like the back of my hand. I'm talking Tecate, Valle de Guadalupe, Ensenada, you know, all that. So, you know, I'll show you guys some cool spots. The wife has never been there. I've been dying to take the wifey there, so it'll be fucking cool.
Yeah.
And yeah, excited. You know what I mean? Excited to do this YouTube thing. I'm gonna have my own channel coming out. It's just getting monetized. I'm gonna be changing the content. It's gonna be part travel, but it's not gonna be like a vlog. It's something else. You guys will see it. It'll be different than what we're doing on this channel. Totally
Yeah.
different.
Totally different. You'll see, and we'll put channel name. His channel name.
Oh, guys, also, we'll put out some video here for you guys. Me and my wife were in Colombia together on our honeymoon when I got in my accident, and we did some travel advice videos for Colombia.
Yeah.
And I just found them going through my hard drive. So we'll post some of those for any of you guys going to Colombia. There are some advice videos that we made together on our Colombia travel because we were there for about 2 months, huh, babe?
Yeah. 2 months
Later.
later. Ciao.